Hey guys, so we're back with another video. Today we're doing some pumpkin patch with Rylan and my baby Raiden right there, and of course my wife. So we're gonna go check out this. We're here at Harvest Festival here at Moore Park.
And we're gonna do pig races first.
Yeah, we're gonna do that. So yeah, we'll see. We'll go check this place out and see what it has to offer. We are here, Underwood Family Farms. Just got done taking pictures right there. The pumpkin house. How are you guys liking this so far?
Yeah, good.
Yeah? How about you, Raiden? Are you ready to do some pumpkin patch? Yes? Going to the tractor? Where? Oh, you want that one? Yeah, we're gonna ride that. Going in line for the tractor. Look at this line right here. It's a long line. What are you doing here, Rylan?
Waiting for line with the little tractor.
That's the tail ride. Well, we just got done with the cow tractor ride. And right now we're gonna go eat. Because we hungry. We haven't ate yet. So, did you guys have fun with the tractor ride?
Yeah.
Yeah? How about this guy? Did you have fun with the tractor ride?
Yes.
No, you didn't. So we're done eating, on our way to the pumpkins. and we're gonna go take some photo shoot. Yeah, with the kids. You guys ready to take photo shoots? Pumpkin. Here we are at the pumpkin. We're gonna go pick some pumpkins and take some photo shoots. This is Daddy's new girlfriend. Raiden, Raiden, look, this is Mommy. We got a tractor parade right there. Here at the hay playground. This place is nice. There are a lot of pumpkins, a lot of activities, entertainment.
He's my buddy.
They got some pretty cool pumpkins here. Look, we're going to the, it's a maze. Go! Wow! How'd you like that corn maze?
Good.
You like that?
Yeah.
We're gonna go to the big tractor now. And we're gonna ride.
No, we're going to go to a game first.
Where are we going? What game?
Any game.
Any game? Okay.
Maybe we'll get a prize. Just a little.
Are you liking this place so far?
Yeah.
If you want, you can stand up here.
Kneel down, because you're too tall. Okay, then put it in the. Go like this. Okay? This, toss it to the rim.
Oh, so close.
Go up there. Go up.
Oh, it's okay.
Now it's Raiden's turn. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, throw the. Oh, where is it? No, not yet. Raiden's turn.
Get one so we can get it.
Yeah.
Wait. No, that's okay. Here. Throw it, okay, and put it inside.
Throw.
Go, throw.
You can do it like that.
Go, throw. Oh, almost.
Throw.
Whoa. Throw. Oh, no. Gotta get me some pumpkins right now. Or else I'm gonna be disappointed.
That's what I thought. Sorry, honey.
Sorry, guys.
Got some pumpkins.
Alrighty, pick your pumpkin.
I will pick my pumpkin.
No. Oh, you pick one?
Yeah, you pick one. If you make it.
Oh, this one?
No.
Let's go spin over. Go. So next up, we're gonna go play spin the wheel. Try to win more pumpkins. Okay, Rylan. You ready to spin the wheel? Spin hard. Spin hard. There you go.
Awesome.
Let's see what you're gonna get. Pumpkin! Yeah! Pick one. Pick a pumpkin.
Yep, anyone.
You want a small pumpkin?
I want the last one.
Want that one?
Let
Okay.
me right on the bottom.
Rylan, there's... What's... You pick this one? No, get one, yeah.
This is round.
I like round ones, but not tall.
Okay, just
Cut
pick...
it, don't worry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, what's this?
Ah, you got another pumpkin.
You know you have two.
Oh, we are going to the pig races next. Me and Rylan, what did we win?
Pumpkins.
Pumpkins. Oh, look at that.
Where is the There's two kinds of chicken. Chicken
Yeah.
coop and chicken shell.
Yeah. They have a lot of activities over here.
It shows.
Like, really, like a lot. You give you this map and it tells you everything. They have animal center, attractions, activity, games, and entertainment. So if you guys come here, I recommend this place. I've been to Live Oak, but I think this place is better.
It is.
All right, then, are you ready for some pig race?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Aren't you so lucky your parents love you?
Yeah.
Always going out. First Disneyland, Oogie Boogie, and now this.
Pumpkin patch.
Haha.
How about Raiden?
Yeah. No, I didn't walk it. No, I didn't walk it. Now this.
Okay.
Now this.
Look at it.
Hi.
Pigs. You guys are pigs. Hi, Raiden. Raiden. Hi, Raiden. Rylan. Nice here. They have corn cannon and slingshot. I might have to try this one right here.
How was it?
Tractor ride. How's it been so far? Good? You guys liking the pumpkin patch? Yeah?
You like the pumpkin patch?
So, me and Rylan decided to do the corn maze, the big corn maze. So So you think we're gonna find our way back?
Yeah.
I don't know. It is corn made. What is this? We did it! Go! You did it?
Yeah.
So what do you think of the corn maze, Rylan?
Good. I was an expert.
You're an expert.
Yeah.
Did you make it?
Yeah, I made it.
No, we made it. It was teamwork.
Yeah. I did it.
Yeah. We got different kinds of pumpkins here. One this Big Mac's pumpkin,
Big Mac.
45 bucks. Look how big it is, Rylan. Come here, look. This one. Go sit down right there. See? Can you carry it? Yeah, that's hard. Full moon.
I want the
This one's white.
I want a full moon.
It's 50 bucks.
Okay, I'm not kidding.
Huh. Magkano yan? This one's only 99 cents.
99 cents a pound.
Here's Cinderella pumpkin. Look at this. It's a nice pumpkin.
Dad, look at
This is an ugly pumpkin, huh? I don't even know how to say that. It's pretty cool. Oh man, it's heavy. That's a heavy pumpkin. This one is a fairy tale. Millionaire now. Millionaire pumpkin. What else they got, Rylan? Oh, right there. That's that one.
one, two.
There's one too many.
I want millionaire.
We are going to the sunflower field.
Because it's my favorite flowers.
Yeah, we're gonna go pick some sunflower flower. We are here at the sunflower field. We're gonna pick some flowers. Look here. It says $1.50 each. So we're gonna go right ahead and pick some sunflowers.
Yeah, let's have a look at the sunflowers.
Good job, Julian. Yeah.
I love you.
There might be the
Mommy.
red sunflower. Wow.
Oh, she's excited for you.
Thank you. Oh, here we are.
You can't touch swatch or pets.
What are those?
Guinea pig.
Ah, that's cool,
2
huh?
fingers only up.
Wow. Wow, Raiden.
No, don't scare them, okay?
Yeah. Yeah, closer. This one. He's too busy eating. Yeah. In the Philippines, these are good.
Yeah, look at this.
Yep. This is my favorite right here. This goat. Kilawin. Papaitan.
Caldereta.
The best. Wow, Raiden. Wow.
Look at that one.
Yeah, stop. Getting a tattoo. What are you doing? Getting a tattoo?
That's There we go. All right. There we go.
Cool.
All right, let's do it. There we go.
Wow.
Okay, you're done.
Okay.
Thank you.
What is that? Oh yeah, pump. That's it for the day. We are checking out. Love this place. Might come back here next year as well.
And expensive. Just kidding. Though.
Yeah.
It's actually
But
good prices.
I suggest this place. I recommend this
Recommend
place.
this place next year.
Next year, a lot of activities, entertainment, a lot of rides. We never even got to finish it. So, until next time, see you guys. Like and subscribe.